The powerful flame of a gas sauna heater offers incredible performance, but demands respect and regular attention. Let's explore how to safely maintain this unique type of sauna heat. You should always prioritize safety when it comes to your gas sauna heater. Our best advice is to have your gas heater inspected annually by a licensed technician who will check connections, burners, and venting systems. Install carbon monoxide detectors near your sauna and test them monthly. This simple step saves lives. You should consider inspecting your pilot light for a stable blue flame weekly. Monthly, turn off the gas and use compressed air to clean dust and debris from burner ports. As far as the stone care of your sauna heater, we recommend you rinse your stones periodically to remove impurities. Replace about 30 to 50% of your stones annually to prevent grit buildup that can damage the stainless steel troughs. When restacking the stones, leave small gaps between the stones for proper heat flow. Larger stones at the bottom, smaller ones on the top. So look, if you're ready to keep your gas sauna running safely for years, visit saunaplace.com or call 931-516-6577 for premium replacement stones, cleaning supplies, and expert advice. Don't forget to subscribe and remember that gas sauna heaters reward proper care with unmatched performance and reliability. So start your maintenance routine today.